If you want to provide extra support for ThunderBuddy 01 Productions, become an official ThunderBuddy superfan. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to exclusive emojis, get a cool badge next to your name, and other cool perks such as shoutouts and priority replies to your comments. Join now with the link in the top of the description.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Well, hell fucking low, WLAC. How are you doing?
Shatter the signal.
Coordinated monthly test of broadcast stations in your area. A service that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay. It's not even 1 a.m. yet. Chill, cub.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
That was WNYC FM on 93.9. PLJ's going. SNY's going. Holy crap, we got a lot of immediates.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, time to see who else will relay. 1051. 1051 just went off.
Concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Q1043 or someone on 1043 just went off.
104.3, New York Classic Rock.
Alright, got a classic rock station on 1043 that just relayed the monthly test. Awesome. For WCBS. Alright, WCBS finna test it about a minute.
Still see an afternoon shower develop well north and west of the city. High climbing up to around 80. A warmer day and a dry day on Friday with some sunshine, we'll have a high of 84. A little more humid on Saturday, cloudy to partly sunny, a high again 84. And then quite warm and sticky Sunday. That could be an afternoon thunderstorm with a high of 87. Right now it's partly cloudy. Temperatures range from 63 in Terrytown to 74 in Flushing. In Midtown to 71, going down to 66.
Thank you, Matt. WCBS News Time 110.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Here we go.
coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
WCBS News Time 111.
We have to...
Bruh, it's the freaking Dave voice.
Beginning at 1:50 a.m. and ending at 2:15 a.m. A required monthly test has been issued for Amelia County, Caroline County, Charles City County, Chesterfield County, the City of Columbia High, Denver County, the City of Emporia, Essex County, Rockland County, Greenville County, Hanover County, Henderson County, the City of Hopeland, Williams County, King of Cream County, Lancaster County, Louisa County, Middlesex County, Marquette County, Northumberland County, the City of Elizabeth, Jonathan County, Prince George County, the City of Richmond, Richmond County, Sussex County, and Westmoreland County. Soon to your local TV or radio station.
That was the most bitch basic RMT I've gotten from Richmond ever.
And also Macau Saturday.
BBR's going.
This is a coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
All right, Richmond, Virginia is that is not Richmond, Virginia. Nicholas, get BBR is done. Now we wait for WABC.
This is a coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Alert system.
Okay, so I'm gonna set you to 96.3 ahead of the weekly test tomorrow. And it's just a little bit before 11:05. I got WXM 80, WXM 42 going in here. I got KWM 35 going in the next in my bedroom.
Increasing to east, chance of rain 40%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Monday, all people entering 20 miles per hour. Anyone visiting the position stay out of the zone. Thursday, always have a few hours light in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon.
The air quality index forecast from state environmental agencies. The Bridgeport, Connecticut forecast air quality index is 50. This is good. The Danbury, Connecticut forecast air quality index is 49. This is good. The New Haven, Connecticut forecast air quality index is 45.
OKX. Here is the official message. Winds from 10 miles per hour.
For interpretation east to the mouth of the Connecticut River and Orange Point.
Seas 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers late this morning. Chance of showers this afternoon. For tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts 7 to 20 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Thunderstorms and chance of showers in the evening. Some showers likely after midnight. Visibility 1 to 3.
Oh god, everyone's going at once. Finally!
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. It sometimes occurs even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order.
Normally one knows
To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter.
once again, this was only a test.
Here is the air quality index forecast from state environmental agencies. The Long Island, New York forecast air quality index is 42. This is good.
Once again,
The coastal waters forecast from March is inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisor. 5 to 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots late. Seas around 2 feet, building to 3 to 4 feet this afternoon. Slight chance of showers late this morning, then showers likely this afternoon. For tonight, winds 15 to 20 knots, then 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 5 showers. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. For Thursday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. 4 to 17 degrees. Of course, likely mainly in the morning with visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. And for Thursday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots.
Once again, this was only 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers early this afternoon.
Wow, I have never had this happen. Everyone just exploded all at once. Normally it would be Upton first and then Albany. This time everyone just exploded. Alright. Sage went off. I don't have a stable WXM80 monitor for the Easy. Then again, the Easy doesn't decode half the shit it gets anyway. Honeywell sadly didn't activate. The ESP2100 did not go off. That is a shocker. 521-03261, both 519s, WX100, both AlertWorks radios. 262, unfortunately you didn't go off.
47.
I can guarantee you it's because of the static. Followed by WX268, BC370, and the reason why this says 2, I was getting New York City's monthly last night. But, WX268 went off. WWH33 with the 991. I'm actually surprised I was able to get that in here, but at least I don't have to run to my room every time I get an alert over WWH33. Let's see, now in here, this guy I had on, but I had playing the broadcast before the test, because I was not about to try and shut this thing off while the test was going. Really? I shouldn't have messed with the antenna. This guy didn't go off. This went off for 1050 only, because of course this is a J-Win piece of shit. Max Digital. Let's go over here now. 260 didn't go off. I Love did. The 253, 5, and 8 went off. I know I kind of like panned out of order, but whatever. The 249, the 250, and now let's go to here. So, I don't know why you didn't decode it properly.
4 degrees.
Yeah, freaking interference, I swear to God. Thank God I'm rearranging after this. Let's see. Now, Running Snail obviously went off. Well, all 3 Running Snails tried to go off. Only the version 9 and 20 went off. Of course, this guy crashed. I do not remember setting you to July. I'm gonna fix that. I do not remember that happening. Followed by, version 20, I just said that. WX67, Lacrosse, the 8500, Maxon, R1650, and I just did the alert light glitch. The SFA 1150, 996, Motorola, R500. Wait, hold up, what? Hold up. Did it seriously decode both weeklies at the same time? Oh my God, it did. I have never seen... okay, I clearly know how to operate this radio. But... apparently WXJ42 and WXM80's tests were a little bit behind in a gap that this actually managed to decode the both weekly tests. So that's great. The Sharecom, the Sangean, CL100 at least. Both zone guards actually activated, finally. It's not like I've been trying to get that to happen for freaking weeks now. WX150, both 259s. This one decoded in 6 hours. FR800, 522, 993, 606, 608. Can kind of see it, but yeah, the 136 went off. The Solar Link finally decoded it right. 74210, WR10, 74105, followed by all the handhelds. And this guy I had on WXJ42.
Becoming northeast after midnight. For the eastern range 50% is Thursday, mostly.
Alright, so now we get to the good shit. Hopefully I still have some time before everything just expires. So, version 4 went off. This time none of the V5s, at least 100s, went off. I've never seen that happen. The version 2 didn't go off, sadly. The version 3 went off. The version 1 white. This I'm happy about. A freaking properly decoded weekly test, although knowing this it'll probably say 6 hours. A weekly test was finally decoded and it didn't result in the no message glitch. That I'm happy about. The WR400 that was monitoring WXM80 went off, as did the 120 that was monitoring it. The 120 and 400 that were monitoring WXJ42 both went off, and the 120 and 400 that were monitoring KW035. Yes, this and that were both monitoring KW035. Those went off. 74200 as always. Wait, I can't remember if this went off. I think it did, but the FRX5, the LL Bean FRX5 went off. Thank God. The Sidekick didn't go off, which kind of sucks. All of my 300s went off. Version 1, 301, V5 Deluxe, V8. The 438 went off. 8560. And the 1135 all went off. I also got the test off of WXNY and WQEU. For some freaking reason, WADO was not coming in at all. Maybe my room just has too much interference to allow it. But, yeah. That happened. So, on that note, I'm going to get these tests compiled. And hopefully by the start of the meetup with Clay Ranger 143 and the others, I will have a fresh new setup for you guys. Hopefully it won't take forever like this one did. But then again, with 101 radios, what can you really expect?